How's it going, everybody? Sitting here doing some more work on SlagHammer Day here at the house, and trying to get her cleaned up, get all the Bondo dust that was on this thing for the past few months, and getting her cleaned up, getting her ready to go. But anyway, I sit there and did the razor blade deal on the windshield. Got all the overspray and dust and everything else off of it. Did the same with the rear. Got my plexiglass in. Gotta do some cleaning on that. But probably gonna do some different plexiglass after PowerYour. This stuff had a little bit of age on it, and it cracked on me a little bit in a couple places. But I'll take care of that when I get back. Razor blade, the rear windshield. I mean, there's a lot of stuff on there. But other than that, man, just trying to get her ready to go. Got my mirror installed. Gotta have that. But I did the windows the old school way. I just got a pull strap on it. Did that with the other side as well. Got all the rat's nests out of this thing that blew in here the other day. So I'm going to sit here and get the inside done, but first I'm going to do the outside. And then I got to figure out how we're going to pack this thing. And because PowerYour is around the corner, there's still a little bit of things I've got to take care of. I still have a moisture leak on the fuel line. It's over in there at the gas tank in the back. I got to take a fitting off and redo it. No big deal, but it's the whole purpose of this week was shaking the car down, working out the little bugs and everything, and get her ready to go. And I've still got a few of y'all in the comments. You know, I know I shouldn't be reading them, but I do. Just for simple fact is, I do respond good and bad. You know, everybody's still saying something about the valve train on this thing. Dude, guys, the valve train is fine on this motor. And if you go back to Tony's videos when he first started building this motor, even we talked about it after we got it in and fired it up. Number one, the mic issue does a lot of high-end stuff. But the valve train in this motor is fine. But I do appreciate all the comments though. And then I've also been getting a lot about something for the seats. Yes, I'm going to be putting padding into the seats. I mean, it's already got some padding on it. And so it'll be a little bit easier for Ethan and I while we're on the road. So guys, I'm taking care of all this. And no, I'm not running windshield wipers. That's one of the reasons of cleaning the windshield off really good, so I can sit there and Rain-X the hell out of it. But other than that, guys, I'm going to get started on SlagHammer here, get her washed up, get her polished up, and then I'll start cleaning on the inside. See you in a few. Alright guys, got the outside of her washed. Man, there was a lot of dust on this car. I mean, even though she's in primer, because still a lot of stuff came off of it. But a lot better, a lot better.